Welcome back and thanks for staying on with News Tonight. Now, India churns out 5 million graduates each year, but less than half of them are employable or possess the basic skills mandatory for any industry role, according to a report. Now, this report also says that around 47% graduates in India are unemployable for any job. Take a look at our Sunday special report.
It's a cutthroat competition in India, whether it's about college admission or getting a job. Look at the cutoffs of Delhi University, which have reached a staggering 100% mark. Similarly, for one job advertised in this country, there are hundreds of applications pouring in, thanks to the umpteen number of applicants ready to join the bustling workforce. And the competition only seems to get more intense as the new study finds out that nearly 50% of Indian graduates are unfit for employment. The National Employability Report by Aspiring Minds and Employability Solutions Company reveals some shocking statistics on Indian graduates. The study, based on the computer adaptive test on 60,000 graduates, finds that almost half of them are not fit to be absorbed by the companies. The students were tested for communication skills in English, computer knowledge, analytical and cognitive skills, and basic accounting knowledge.
If you ask people questions which are just definition based, 50 to 60% people are able to answer them. But if you ask application-based questions, that becomes 20 to 30%. When we look at even skills like finance and accounting, which a BCom student should know, we see that only 15 to 20% students have the necessary finance and accounting skills.
These eye-opening results reinforce the fact that the transition of students from the classroom to the boardroom is difficult in India. Imparting factual knowledge and then testing students on factual knowledge is promoting broad learning.
The university probably will grade them as syllabi related. What's the pass percentage and how much? So most of this thrust area is syllabi related. But then what we need to do is go beyond syllabi related courses, that is a non-syllabi based training.
Experts opine that substantive intervention at school and college level is needed to improve basic skills of students. Moreover, a renewed focus on vocational training should be emphasized.
You need improvement in the faculty, you need to offer remedial courses, you need to analyze the industry requirements, align the training of the students to the industry requirements.
While China, Japan and many other countries in the world face aging demographic divide, the youth segment in India's population is rapidly growing. This demographic dividend can inject new dynamism into the flagging economy. It will be a demographic dividend if we empower our young. It will be a demographic disaster if we fail to put in policies and framework for their empowerment. Kriti Mishra for Rajya Sabha Television.